back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add tags to your YouTube videos so that your videos can be discovered easily. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. So after you've logged into your YouTube studio, you'll see a list beneath your profile picture. From that list, choose content. You'll see your uploaded videos here, and I have one video here I want to add tags to. When you hover over the videos, you notice that these icons appear, so you click on the one which looks like a pencil. It allows you to edit the video information. So when you click on that button, it takes you to the video details page. You can add any tag to your video in any part of the description box because they will automatically be added to the top of your video title. Just make sure it starts with a hash sign. So I'm going to add the hashtag tag to my video, and it's going to be at the bottom of the description box. When you've added all the tags you want to add, click on the save button and your changes will be saved. Now when you go to the video on YouTube, you see that the tags have been added to the video title. Now when a user searches hashtag tag, your video will be more likely to be found. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. You can also click on any of the videos in the end screen if you want to watch another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.